No ESA program publishes an official invoice template, not one. They publish required field lists and then reject any invoice that misses a single field. That's the trap. Providers copy a generic template, leave off one detail, and wait weeks while the correction crawls back through review. Start with the universal fields every ESA invoice needs: your legal business name and address, the student's full name, and the parent or account holder, the invoice date, plus the date each service was delivered. An itemized description that names the educational subject, grade 3 reading, not just tutoring, quantity, rate, and a total that adds up, and your credential or license number wherever the service requires one. Then your state adds its own. Arizona wants a unique invoice number and license numbers for therapists. North Carolina wants the transaction fee shown as its own line item. Go to GetESAPaid.com for the free template, every universal field laid out, printable, with the per state extras listed beside it. Better still, the free generator fills your state's exact field set and warns you before you submit something that would bounce. 60 seconds, no sign up. One clean invoice is the difference between paid this week and paid next month. Grab the template or the generator at GetESAPaid.com, both free. Links below.